Now we will see the powers and function of the governor. What are the functions having? He is the head of the state executive. See some advice to give the chief minister. Then other ministers also. This is the main function. His function. Then now we will see the first one is executive powers. Executive means administration, isn't it? Some the administration's field, that section only. He has more power. Then here having more powers given. You see now, he appoints the leader of majority party in the state legislative assembly as the chief minister of the state. You see ma, in administration is only the high posting having, that posting, many posting are appointed by the governor. Okay, you see in chief minister appointed by the governor. Then other ministers, council of ministers also appointed by the governor with the recommendation of the chief ministers. In chief minister selection time, in which party has majority party, means that party leader only appointed as a chief minister. Okay, then council of ministers also appointed by the governor. Then recommendation with the chief minister. Okay, then he also appoint the chairman and members of the state public service commission. Then he appoints the state election commissioner. Then he act as a chancellor of university in the state. In state university having that university chancellor was he only. Okay, a governor only. Then he also appoint the vice chancellor of the universities in the state. Then whatever program, then project also done by his name only. Okay, governor name only having. Okay, this is the executive powers. And next one is legislative powers. He is the integral part of the legislative state legislator. Then he is not a member of the any both either house of the legislative. Okay, then he only the organize the legislative function, otherwise dissolve the state legislative assembly. That assembly he only organize, otherwise dissolve. Okay, then he can address the state legislative at the commencement, the first session after the each general election and the first session of the each year. In election after finishing, after the first session was started, in the legislature, that time he only give the address of the state legislature. Okay, he can give the address. Okay, in the first session. Then he can send message to houses of the state legislature relating to their bill bending in the legislature. Some two houses, that time some bills are bending, he ask why this bills are bending, like that he only ask the powers in the legislative powers. Then sometimes in the speaker and deputy speaker also post in vacating, means that times he can appoint any member of the legislative assembly. He has that power also. Then he had nominate one member to the legislative assembly from the Anglo-Indian Company. In the legislative members, one member is nominated by the governor. Then next he nominate 1/6 of the members of the state legislative council from the amongst the person, means literature, science, then cooperative movements and social service persons having, he only appoint the nominate that person. He has the power. Then every bill passed by the state legislative will become law only after his signature. That bills means get a sign from the governor after only that bill was introduced in the legislative. Okay, then sometimes some bills are the governor was cancelled that bills, then otherwise reconsideration that give to the legislative, that also give to the power in the governor. Then he has annual reports in submit in the reports of the State Finance Commission, that Public Service Commission, and the Comptroller and the Auditor General relating to the accounts of the state before the state legislature. He only submit the annual report of the state, he only submit in the state legislature. Okay, this is the legislative powers of the governor. Next, financial power. Financial powers means money, he only his main duty, get prepared and introduce the state legislative, the annual budget. Okay, and also supplementary budget also is necessary. If necessary means that also supplementary budget also prepared, otherwise the annual budget only prepared and submit the state legislator. Then money bills can be introduced in the legislative assembly only with his prior recommendations. That party was any party was introduced in the money bills means first his prior recommendation of the governor, that only the money bill was introduced in the legislative assembly. Then he constitutes a finance commission after every 5 years to review the finance position of the panchayat and the municipalities. He one committee, finance commission committee was created. Then every 5 years, they means that uses of the committee means review the financial positions of the panchayat and municipalities. You check the finance, what is the financial position of the panchayat and municipality. That purpose only create a finance commission also every 5 years. Okay, this is the financial power of the governor.